Namaste student. Today's our topic is merger or amalgamation of certain company. Section 233. Notwithstanding the provision of section 230 and section 232, a scheme of merger or amalgamation may be entered into between two or more shell companies or between a holding company and its wholly owned subsidiary company or such other classes of companies as may be prescribed, subject to the following. First, a notice the proposed scheme inviting objection or suggestion, if any, from the registrar and official liquidators where registered office of the respective companies are situated or person affected by the scheme within 30 days is issued by the transfer company or company or companies and the transferee company. The objection and suggestion received are considered by the companies in their respective general meetings and the scheme is approved by the respective members or class or members at a general meeting holding at least 90% of the total number of shares. Each of the companies involved in the merger files a declaration of solvency in the prescribed form with the registrar on the place where the registered office of the company is situated, and the scheme is approved by majority representing 9/10 in value of the creditors or class of creditors of respective companies indicated in a meeting convened by the company by giving a notice of 21 days along with the scheme to its creditors for the purpose or otherwise approved in writing. The transferee company shall file a copy, the scheme so approved in the manner as may be prescribed, with the central government registrar and the official liquidator where the registered office of the company is situated. On the receipt of the scheme, if the registrar or the official liquidator has no objection or suggestion to the scheme, the central government shall register the same and issue a confirmation thereof the companies. The registrar or official liquidator has any objection or suggestion, he may communicate the same in writing to the central government within a period of 30 days, provided that if no such communication is made, it shall be presumed that he has no objection to the scheme. If the central government, after receiving the objection or suggestion or for any reason of the opinion that such a scheme is not in public interest or in the interest of the creditors, it may be file an application before the tribunal within a period of 60 days of the receipt of the scheme under subsection 2, stating its objection and requesting that the tribunal may consider the scheme under section 232. On the receipt of an application from the central government or from any person, if the tribunal, for reason to be recorded in writing, of the opinion that the scheme should be considered as per the procedure laid down in section 232, the tribunal may direct accordingly, or it may confirm the scheme by passing such order as it deems it, provided that the central government does not have any objection to the scheme or it does not file any application under the section before the tribunal. It shall be deemed that has no objection to the scheme. A copy of the order under subsection 6 confirming the scheme shall be communicated to the registrar having jurisdiction over the transferee